Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will talk about the case when the defense against cross-site scripting attacks is not implemented, why it's important, how to check and how to fix the issue. What is it? Content Security Policy or CSP is an added layer of security that helps to detect and mitigate certain types of attacks, including cross-site scripting and data injection attacks. These attacks are used for everything from data theft to site defacement. Why it's important? A primary goal of CSP is to mitigate and report XSS attacks that exploit the browser's trust in the content received from the server. Malicious scripts are executed from the victim browser because the browser trusts the source of the content, even when it's not coming from where it seems to be coming from. Content Security Policy makes it possible for server administrators to reduce or eliminate the vectors by which XSS can occur by specifying the domains that the browser should consider to be valid sources of executable scripts. As an ultimate form of protection, sites that want to never allow scripts to be executed can opt to globally disallow scripts execution. How to find and how to fix the issue. You can use different tools in order to look into HTTP header. However, it's much more convenient to check your whole website with SiteChecker Site Audit tool. This will allow you to see all the issues in terms of your technical SEO, including content security policy. Click on the View HTTP header button, then search for the content security policy on HTML and HTTP headers tab. The issue is present if there is no results. To enable Content Security Policy, you'll need to configure your website server to return the Content Security Policy HTTP header. The exact way of implementation really depends on your particular case and should be discussed with your administrators or website developers. That was it for today. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and if you still have any other questions, feel free to reach out to our support, which is support@sitechecker.pro. See you in the next videos.